What should we make today? Well, grab your Pottle. And I think I want to start off with a frosty gray, a little red, some gold, chrome powder, and some unicorn powder. All right, let's mix it up. Here we go. What do you think we're making? What do you think it might make? That's nice. I like the gold fleck in it. That's cool. All right, but is it the color we want? I think let's steer towards more of a rosy gold. And so we're gonna add more red. Ooh, that's really pretty, you guys. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. All right. Drop your mixing marbles in. Pop your midi cap on. Give it a shake if you like. We didn't really use a lot, so we're gonna use it without the midi cap. So dip your brush in and start your swatching. And if you like it, then you can continue. I like it. It's like a deep, like, rose gold. It's really pretty. What do you think? All right, let's swatch it on this plastic nail. Let's see how it looks. Shall we add this to our color library? It was super fun and easy to make. This is really beautiful. Beautiful bronzy rose goldy color. I like it. Ta-da. For some reason I just love like paint nails. What do you think? It matches my color and skin really well. Thanks for watching.